Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to sign up as a civic group or nonprofit organization in the Service Tank Bahamas app. The process is very simple. The first thing that you want to do is open the app. You download it from your iOS or Android app store, Service Tank Bahamas, and you open the app and you click sign up. And then you're going to slide over to the social group option. Here, you enter the name of your group or organization, followed by your first and last name, and your email and your phone contact. Beneath that, you want to enter the email rather, and telephone of your organization, and you will select a password. Feel free to use the organization contact as your personal contact as well, but know that on your member profile, this will be the contact information that persons will use to reach you directly. Now, because I already have a profile, I am just going to quickly log into that and go into the sign in option and log in as an organization. Okay, and so we are going to sign in. Now, there are a few things that you're going to want to do upon signing in for the first time. The first thing that you want to do is click the little image of the person at the top right corner of your screen, and it will show you your name. The options are your dashboard, your profile, and to log out. You're going to want to go into profile, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is upload a profile image. So the app is available for download on your smartphones as well as on tablets and iPad. And so if you have an image that is suitable, you can just go and upload that to be your profile image to make for a more personal experience. And then you can change your profile settings here. Now, once you would have logged in, and this process is similar for your volunteers when you register them for the app, they can actually go into the groups tab, and here you see flows group, and they can go in and join your group. So when you click into your group, there is a listing of a few things, but your members are included here so they can see when you post events. Now, when you want to post an event, you simply go into the events tab and you click the green plus button. You enter in the details for your event. So the name of that event, a description of where it is and what can be expected. And then it will allow you to plug in your start date, your end date, your start time, and your end time. And if you have a limit for the number of volunteers that you can accommodate at this event, you can put that limit in there and post that event. If your activity is something that is ongoing, for example, if you have administrative volunteers that will come into your office to work with you every day or to assist on a project for a few days, you can add it as an event and turn on the "This is an administrative task" button here. So all of the associated start, end times, and dates will be removed. And as your volunteers log their hours under this event, then they will be credited based on what their own start and end time is, and they will be able to log that themselves. Just so that you are aware, Service Tank has a special feature that allows it to log all of the hours that are given. And so, as an individual at the top of your dashboard, you will have your own total hours. And as more persons volunteer, what we will have is a goal. It's set at 10,000 hours right now. And every organization and every volunteer that logs hours through the app will contribute to this total increasing. And as you may have seen when you click into your group, you're also able to set your own goal and set your own profile picture, which should be the logo of your organization. And you can have a smaller goal that is attached to how many hours you want your volunteers to give in a given period, which can always be increased or changed with the set goal button. We will be offering more tutorials on the usage of the Service Tank app as an effective tool to bolster volunteerism. But I hope that this helps you to get your account set up and get your events posted to your account. If you have any questions, you can contact us at flowbahamas@outlook.com, and we will be happy to assist you with the process of getting settled in.